Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to show you how you can back up your Samsung mobile phone using an external hard drive or a USB stick. So to do this, what you'll need is this little adapter. This one I got in the box that came with my phone, but you can probably also pick them up on Amazon. I'll have a look and link a few below. So on one end is USB type A and on the other end is USB type C. USB type C will be going into your Samsung phone and the USB type A will be connecting to your hard drive or your USB stick. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is plug in our hard drive. So we're going to plug it in there and then we're going to plug it into the bottom of our phone. There will be a little flashing light on your hard drive. You just need to give it a second to connect to your phone, and so once it has connected you'll see the little symbol up the top of your phone, and the first thing we want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen, and you can also see here that the USB storage has been added, and then we want to come up to the top and click on the settings cog, and in here we want to scroll down to accounts and backup, and under accounts and backup we want to select external storage transfer. So our hard drive is our external storage, or if you're using a USB, that is your external storage. And so you can see here on the screen it's showing USB storage, and that is our hard drive, so it's picked it up. So we want to click on USB storage, and in here we can choose what we want to back up. So if we want to back up everything on our phone, we can select this, or if we would just want to back up calls, contacts and messages, or we can go custom. So today we're just going to go custom, and then we're going to click on next, and in here you can select whatever you like to back up. So you can see down here you have images and videos, and you've also got your documents and files. So you can either select everything and back up your entire phone. This is probably what you want to do if you're moving over to a new phone and you want to transfer everything across. But today I'm just going to show you how we back up our images and photos. So we're just going to select these two, and then we're going to click backup, and then we're going to go OK. And you can see here now it is starting to back up, and depending on how many photos and videos you have is going to depend on how long this is going to take. So you just want to make sure that you don't touch your hard drive or unplug anything, and also make sure that your phone has enough battery power before you start this, because you don't want your phone going flat in the middle of it backing up. Okay, so we're all backed up and we can see the results here. We backed up 618 items, which was a total of 2.55 gigabytes. So now we just want to click next and then done. And that's how easy it is. So if we come back into external storage transfer, you can see under here you can restore from, and you can see the one that we've just done here. So if you wanted to restore photos or anything back to your phone, if you accidentally deleted them, you could click on this one and restore it. And if you wanted to do another backup, you go USB storage, and then you can choose what you want to back up and go through that process again. You can back up everything as often as you like, whether you want to do it once a week, once a month, a couple times a year. It's totally up to you. But I do recommend doing this occasionally, because if you lose your phone and you have a backup of everything, then you can just buy a new Samsung phone and plug your hard drive in and restore your phone with everything from the hard drive. I also wanted to show you another way you can access the files on your hard drive. If you go to My Files on your phone and under storage, you can see here you have USB storage, and that's the hard drive I have plugged into my phone. If we click on that, you could see Smart Switch Backup 2. That's the backup that we just did. So you can actually click on that and go in and see what files we've backed up. So you can see got the video and the photo gallery. Come down here and all your photos will be under DCIM. And then here's all my albums that I have in my photo gallery. I also just wanted to show you what you need to do if you get this error popping up when you plug in your hard drive or USB stick. So what you'll need to do is format that hard drive or USB stick. Formatting the drive will delete everything from the drive. So you need to make sure you've copied it onto your phone somewhere else or onto a computer before you click format, because formatting will delete everything off of the hard drive or USB. So to do this, you want to go over to File, then you want to click on USB storage, and then you want to click these three dots on the side and go Format. This will wipe everything off the drive, reformat the drive in the correct format so the phone can read the hard drive, and then you should be able to go back in and back up your phone without any problems. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.